Login failed on Albert Cash fix. You open the Albert Cash app to check your balance or move money, but then, login failed. Frustrating, right? The good news is that it's usually an easy fix. Most people assume it's a big issue, but here's the truth. It's often just a small technical hiccup. First, check your connection. Albert Cash depends on a stable internet link for secure banking. If you're on public Wi-Fi or using a VPN, switch to mobile data or disable the VPN. Many users find that this simple step fixes the problem immediately. Next, update your app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Albert, and tap Update. Outdated app versions can't always communicate with Albert's secure servers, leading to login errors. If that doesn't work, clear your cache or reinstall the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Albert Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This removes any stored data that might be corrupt. Now, check your login details. If you've recently changed your password, your device might still be autofilling the old one. Try typing it manually. If you're unsure, tap Forgot Password to reset it and follow the link sent to your email. Also, be aware if Albert detects suspicious activity or a login attempt from a new device, it might temporarily block access for security reasons. Waiting 15 minutes before trying again often solves this. Finally, check if Albert's servers are under maintenance. You can test this by logging in from the official website. If that fails too, it's a temporary issue on their end. So, if your Albert Cash app says login failed, take a breath. Check your internet, update your app, clear your cache, and re-enter your credentials. In just a few minutes, you'll be back managing your cash, saving smarter, and keeping your finances flowing smoothly.